Good afternoon, ladies. I've put a sari kit together. Now, there's no rhyme nor reason to this one. It is just a lot of extra pieces that I have. I've put 3 kits together. They are 98% identical. And there's no rhyme nor reason to them. I have 2 people that already want them. So there actually only be one for sale if these 2 ladies want the kits. So this is one of the pieces. This is double. It's a very large piece, very pretty. I just have way too much stuff. Then we have this piece and this little piece and this sparkle and this one, this pretty piece. You have this one. It's quite sparkly, and it was wrapped or rolled in a elastic, is why it's all wrinkled. But there's that. Then this, and this shows up as red on there, but it is hot pink, very hot pink. So then we have this piece here, and this end, this is double, so this is the other end of it. Another very large piece. And a piece like this. And another piece like so to go with it. This one. And this one. And this one. And then we have a piece of this one. And then a plain piece like that. Then we have a nice blue piece, very pretty, with lots of little motifs on it. And we have this pretty peachy one, 2 different colors of peach. And then we have this one and a big piece of that one. and then one of these to go with it. Then we have just a small piece of this tool or shear, whatever it's called, and then one of these, and this is cut so that all of these are whole. So there's that one with that one. Then we have this one. With a piece of plain. It has a couple little marks on it, but most of it is plain. And then this one. This one was really worn out. Okay, we've got a piece of this and a piece of this one. Here we go with that one. This one is here. Then we have a plain one with one little mark on it and then the strip down. And one nice piece of just plain. Then we have a little motif on this one. Another one like that. Another one like that. And another one there. And we have this piece. And actually, that's where this comes from. Those go with that. And then I've got a piece of a gorgeous scarf. And one of these beautiful pieces. Then we have one of these. It's just a plain piece. And then you have one of these to go with it. A small one. And part of this that all goes with that piece. Oh, then I have another one of these here. The yellow pieces. Then I have this one, and it is very long as well. And these are three I put together before. I don't really want to take them apart, but you get the teal and then you get all the bling. And this one has dots on it. It's kind of a skirt. So, and then the gold. You get a piece of this one with the yellow and the dots on it. And a piece of this with the red and the green. This is where they're different. This one is like this, and there's two other pieces that are not the same that go into the other kits. Then you've got a nice big piece of this one with this long trim on the bottom. This is kind of a coppery color, and green, it's gorgeous. And then another beautiful piece of white. This piece of trim. And this yellow piece of sari. And then you get a piece of this. And then you get one of these. And one of those. And one of those. And two of those. So that's it. I think there's over 50 pieces there. So that will be $50. So I will put it up, I think, on Messenger, if I can figure it out, for you, Roseanne, and for you, Karen. And, or maybe I'll just put it up. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Have a great day. I do have doilies up on Nanny's Attic by Nola right now. So if you're interested, give me a call. Talk to you later. Bye now.